You can also control whether your shields are focused forward or back. Right now, the forward and rear shields are balanced at 150% capacity each. By clicking the spacebar, you'll see that the back shield will start to drain and the forward shield will double to 200%. You can check your shields and hull strength in the bottom right hand corner. You can focus your shields to the rear by clicking the spacebar again. And vice versa. If you need a quick boost of power to either your shields or your lasers, you can click F2 to transfer power directly from your shields to your lasers. Vice versa, you could click F3 to transfer power from your lasers directly to your shields. There is a small energy cost every single time you shunt power though, so don't use this extensively.